Hello and welcome to the another session of trigonometry. So if you see this question, solve the equation 6 square theta plus 5 tan square theta is equals to 9 plus 17 sec theta. How we can solve these questions? If you wanted to check the basics, please check my previous video which will cover all the basics in order to solve this question. So let's finish this question, then we will see another question in this session or in another session. And since if you are not subscribing my channel, I request you please go and subscribe and check other videos on my channel. Thank you. So 6 square theta plus 5 tan square theta is equals to 9 plus 17 sec theta. Now if we'll see, this value is in sec, this value is in sec and this value is in tan. So we have to convert in one variable. First thing is like, now 6 square theta and tan square theta, these are in quadratic and this is what? Linear. We know there is a relation between the 6 square theta and tan square theta in the previous videos. I am going to write this one as well here, which is 1 plus tan square theta is equals to 6 square theta. This is, or tan square theta is equals to, I can also write 6 square theta minus 1. Okay. So I have to check like which one, 6 square theta I have to use here in this case, or we have to use here tan square theta. We will use tan square theta. Why? Because there is only one tan is here. 6 square sec we cannot convert. There is no relation. That's why we will only focus on this part to convert this one. Okay. So let's solve this one. So first thing is like I will convert tan into sec. So tan square theta is equals to, I am going to substitute value 6 square theta minus 1 is equals to 9 plus 17 sec theta. Now just open the bracket and check what we can write here. 6 square theta plus 5 sec square theta minus 5 is equals to 9 plus 17 sec theta. Now in order to solve this in algebra, we have seen so many times whenever we get such kind of equation, we have to check like terms, we have to add or subtract, and then we have to bring all the term in one side and check if it is a quadratic equation, what we can do it. We can use any quadratic formula or not. So here like this is 5 sec square theta. If there is nothing, that means 1 sec square theta, 5 plus 1, it is going to be 6. So I'm going to write here 6 sec square theta. Now 17 sec theta is another term which is in on other side. If we bring on this side, that will become minus 17 sec theta minus 5, and if I will bring this 9 over here, this is what plus, it will become minus, so 5 minus 9 is equals to 0. So this is going to be 6 sec square theta minus 17 sec theta minus 14 is equals to 0. Now this is the equation which we got it in one variable. Now let's suppose this question like sec theta is equals to x. So how we can like write this equation? 6x square minus 17x minus 14. Now this is what a quadratic equation in one variable. So either we can go ahead and use the middle term factorization. For middle term factorization also you can check my previous videos on my channel. You'll get the idea how we can solve those questions. So let's focus on this one. So 14 into 6, we have to just, whenever we do this middle term, we have to multiply first and last, which is going to be 6 into minus 14. Okay, so we have to multiply this one, which is going to be 84 minus, factorize 84. I'm going to factorize by 2, so this will be 42, then this is 21, then this is going to be 3 and 7, like this way. Okay, now check what is the 17. 7 into 3 is 21, 21 minus 4. 21 minus 4 is 17. That means whatever our requirement is, like it's matching. So 21 and 4, we have to do subtraction, but the middle term is what? Negative. That means bigger number will be negative and smaller number will be positive. So in this scenario, minus 21x plus 4x minus 14 is going to equals to 0. Now perform grouping. So now we have to do grouping 6x square this. So 6x square minus 21. I'm rewriting again this equation just for reference. Okay, minus 14 is equals to 0. Grouping this and this, this and this. So what is common here? 6 and 21. 3 is common, right? 6 is going to be 3 into 2 and 21 is going to be 3 into 7. So that means 3 is going to be common and x is going to be common. So 3x is going to be common. So 2x minus 7. Similarly, in this case, 4x. 4 is nothing but 2 into 2. 14 is nothing but 2 into 7. 2 is common. So 2 is common. So we can write here about 2x minus 7. We'll see these two terms are equal. That means we are going in the right direction. So 3x plus 2 is equals to 0. Now 2x minus 7 is equals to 0. If the multiplication of two thing is 0, that means either this or this will be 0. So I am going to write or 3x plus 2 is equals to 0 or 3x is equals to minus 2. X is equals to minus 2 upon 3 and here like x is equals to 7 upon 2. What was x? X was, we substituted sec theta is equals to x. That means this value is going to be sec theta, which is 2 upon 7 and this is also sec theta is equals to minus 2. Sec theta is the reciprocal of cos theta. That means in this scenario, I'm going to write a cos theta is equals to 7 upon 2. Oh, my bad. This was 2 upon 7 upon 2. Now if I take the reciprocal, I will write here 2 upon 7. And this is what cos theta is equals to minus 3 upon 2. Okay. So this is cos theta 2 upon 7. This is minus 3. Cos theta, if you see the range and graph and all, if you'll see here for cos theta, the maximum value is plus 1, the minimum value is minus 1. That means the range of cos theta is between minus 1 to 1. And this value is what? Less than minus 1. That means it is not possible. So our solution is going to be this one, which is cos theta is equals to 2 upon 7 or theta is equals to cos inverse of 2 upon 7. Okay, so our answer in this case, theta is equals to 73.14. Okay, now cos theta is positive in which quadrant? First quadrant and fourth quadrant. So for fourth quadrant, our answer will be 360 minus 73.14, which is going to be 286.9. So these are the two answers for the above question. Okay, so like this way we can solve a trigonometric ratio, and there are some algebraic part where we have to apply the logic of middle term factorization, and then we have to check for what is the range of the cos function. If range is like if it is above the range or below the range, then we cannot identify the value of cos theta, and then our answer will be this one. Then we have to apply the logic for whether the cos theta is in first quadrant or second quadrant, third or fourth, how we can identify, and we can write the answer. Thank you for watching this one.